What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on Cardano because we just retested this very important support area, like this bullish order block. Right now we are having here a perfect bounce, so in my opinion this actually must be a bottom of this whole correction, and right now we are gonna go up. So if you are interested, what are the exact potential trading setups that you can actually take on this coin, what are my take profit targets, etc., then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a weekly time frame, which is kind of the most important chart right now, because as I said, we just retested this very important bullish order block. So with this weekly candle we took liquidity under, and right now we perfectly retested it. So according to technical analysis, this is like 10 out of 10. So if everybody took this retest as a potential long opportunity, huge congratulations, you probably actually took the bottom. So right now, the most important thing that I want to see here is the current weekly candle to close above the previous one. So we need to see here a close above that 0.4398. And if something like this will happen, I think we can actually use it as a potential long entry. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place either under this bullish order block, so the potential stop loss will be around 29%, 30% of a net market. Like, don't worry, on this coin we can speculate on really high profit, so even like bigger stop losses like this is not gonna ruin our risk reward ratio that much. Or if you want, you can place it like under this current low, so the stop loss will be around 17% of a net market. This is probably better because like 30% of a net market, this is kinda a lot, kinda big stop loss. So this can be our stop loss, and if we are gonna like retest this area again, we are probably gonna take liquidity under eventually anyway. So like this is not gonna be good. Like this has to be the bottom if we want to see here a huge pump. And last take profit target, in this case, like first take profit target is a liquidating grab above this bearish order block. So potential profit around like 123% of a net market, risk reward ratio up to 7. In a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits, for example, under this previous important lows, that will be like a very important resistance. Some of the profits under this bearish order block, then you can place some back to that last take profit target. So in the end, with like this let's say setup that we are aiming for, only 123% of a net market will give us eventually a risk reward ratio up to 4.5, something like that, which is in my opinion still like really great. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. So as you can probably tell from my analysis, like in my opinion, this coin right now is like heavily undervalued. I am not saying that in the alt season we are like gonna break the new all-time high and we will get to like $4 mark, but I am still counting that we are gonna hit that $2 mark. So actually opening like a spot long position right now is making, in my opinion, a huge sense, because the potential profit here is around 350% of a net market if we will place it slightly under a $2 mark, and potential stop loss will be around that 17.6%, which will give us risk reward ratio up to 20. Like if you want, you can take here like to take profit targets. First take profit you can place above this bearish order block, which is like first important resistance, and then rest of the profits you can take under that $2 mark. I know that there is like nothing like 100% guarantee that eventually we are gonna hit this target, but like $2 for Cardano, if the bull market will continue, this is in my opinion like very probable. And if we are gonna compare that potential risk reward ratio around 20 that we can actually have here, I think this is really great potential trading setup. So yeah, this is actually like in my opinion, something that I'm actually thinking about playing, because like on my long-term portfolio, I usually have only Bitcoin and I have there some Ethereum, but honestly right now I am thinking about adding Cardano to this portfolio, because like this potential profit can be really great. Of course, I'm not gonna risk there like high percentage of my portfolio. I'm thinking around that like 3-2%, something like that. Rest of it I still want to have in Bitcoin or Ethereum, but some, let's say, more speculative play, I think this is like perfect setup. And even if the bull market will continue and we are gonna hit only this bearish order block, this is still like 84% of a net market. And if the bear market will continue, we still have here only stop loss around that 17% of a net market. And if you don't want to have your stop loss, like how much lower we can eventually do, like we can hit 0.2 something like that. But yeah, I really think that we already find here that bottom. And let's now switch to a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we don't have here any interesting bullish order block area. We just took liquidity under this previous important low. We closed the candle under, so this was like a perfect fake out. Right now we are about to retest that Ichimoku. So like first important thing that I want to see here is a breakout of this red line, and then a retest of this bearish order block. If there will be breakout with a support confirmation, which means we are gonna break the structure of lower highs, then I think next target is simply $1 mark, so this previous important high. So this is probably all from like a daily time frame perspective. There is like nothing much we can actually trade here. Like if you want to wait here for that confirmation that's like we broke the lower high structure, then you can trade here something like this. So stop loss under this bearish order block, last take profit target you can actually place above this bearish order block area, so around 60% of a net market potential profit. If you want, you can place it above this high, which will give you risk reward ratio 7.1. In a trade like this, you definitely want to take multiple take profit targets. So first take profit targets under this bearish order block, then move your stop loss to break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. Then some of the profits around like this area, something in this bearish order block, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is going to be around like 5, 4.8, something like that, which is like another really great potential setup. Okay guys, these are the main setups that I'm currently watching on this coin, but let's now get back to a weekly time frame to clarify something. Like honestly right now I am not 100% sure that I will be taking this trade. If I will be sharing this with my Discord trading group, and if you for example want to be part of my trading community, don't forget to join. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. Second important thing that I want to see here, or like that I want to say you, is that like I'm not expecting there will be like 100% pump in the next like 24 hours or like in the next week. I simply think that if the bull markets will continue and we are not gonna enter bear market, I simply think that this is really great potential opportunity if you want to take some long position on altcoin, because I think in the long run this coin is simply heavily undervalued. But if we enter bear market, everything will go down, of course, even this coin. So hey guys, thank you for watching this video till the end. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin. As I said, all important links are in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.